If you want to remove your profile picture from your YouTube channel, this video will guide you step by step in a simple and quick way. This method works for both mobile and desktop, so you can follow along easily. First, open your YouTube app or go to the website and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From here, select your channel and then tap on Edit Profile. You will now see your current YouTube profile picture. Tap on the Edit channel and it will give you options to take a photo and choose from your photos. And click on the Take Photo, it will remove your profile. If you want to completely remove your YouTube profile photo, you'll need to manage it through your Google account. Tap on Edit on Google account or go directly to your Google account, go to the profile, click on the 3-line, then it will show you a different option. Then click on the Remove Profile Picture. Once you remove it, your YouTube channel profile picture will be cleared or replaced with the default icon. This is the easiest way to delete your YouTube profile picture in 2026. So yeah, that's how you can remove profile picture from YouTube channel, delete YouTube profile photo, and manage your YouTube account settings easily.